So for example number 4, these next couple of examples are going to go really quick. So we have log of 34.5. Okay, and let me remind you of what that means. That's log base 10. Even though I didn't write it down, when we don't write it down, it's a base 10 of 34.5. Now, if we, based on our other examples, we said the relationship between this and the exponential is that if I say b to the y equals x, what I'm really saying is 10 to the y equals 34.5. So what I'm looking for is the y value, right? This is what I'm looking for here. Well, that's not easy to do without a calculator. Okay, so this is something that we're going to have to use a calculator for. Now the question is how do you plug it into the calculator? What is the best way to plug that into the calculator? Well, the way that you plug it into the calculator is, and let me clear this out, if you notice, there's a little button that says log. Now, if it's on the calculator, your calculator does 2 types of logarithmic functions. It does the natural log, which is the base of what? Who remembers what the natural log has for a base? No? Good guess. That's this one. Natural log. E. Very good. So the natural log has a base of e. This one, when we don't write it, but it has the word log, that has a base of 10. So now I'm just going to plug in 34.5, and now if I hit enter, the calculator will calculate it for me, which is 1.537. So this whole thing equals 1.537. Now remember that the relationship between an exponential function with a base of 10 and this particular log base 10 is that. So now if I put my calculator back up and I say 10 raised to the, and then I put in 1.537, I'm going to carry it out a couple decimal places, as many that are listed on the calculator. What do you suspect will happen when I hit enter? It should be 34.5, or close to it, right? Does that make sense? That's what we're doing, okay? And so let's do a couple more, if we can. So I'm just going to write down all the ones that are in the book for example number 4. So then they say, hey, let's do log of 0.43, and then and that's basically it. Okay? And so we'll just do that one real quick. So while I'm setting my book down, why don't you guys get out your calculators, you try to hurry up and plug it in, and see if you get the same thing I do. So I'm going to hit log, and then what was the number? 0.43, right? And so we get a negative number, is that right? Is that okay? Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. And so we'll say negative 0.367. So this is negative 0.367, approximately. I rounded that. I suppose if I wanted to be a good math teacher, I'd do one of these deals, right? Make the squiggly approximation symbol, right? Any questions on that one? No?